Recently, there was an event called HOP. I don't know if they called it HOP, but it was Holiday of Play. And they were talking about a new puppy, I guess. And did I want to do an unboxing? And I said, oh, like unboxings is sort of ho-hum. And she said, this puppy unboxes itself. I said, oh, really? Can you send me one? And so we can watch this? And they did. And we are. So I don't want to mess this up because it's a one-time deal. Okay. So I found this online. Okay. Over here. So it's unboxing. So we'll follow it step by step.
We'll unwrap the present. Pull the tabs and take off the outer wrapper. Next.
Okay. Pull off the tab. And, okay. I feel like I'm messing it up already. Oh, no, okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Is that the end? No. All right. So we did part 1. All right. Oh, look at it. Look, we have that exact picture now.
Lift up the box and pull off the bottom tray. And stop there.
All right. Open the... and take out the bottom tray. Okay. Oh. It said. And stop there. I guess we don't need these anymore. All right. This is kind of fun.
This is super important.
Super important.
You won't need to pull off any more layers. Take a look at the unboxing card to make sure you're facing the front of the box before the next step. Just look for the Present Pets logo.
Are you ready?
Make sure you're facing the front of the box. Pull the gift tag and... Ooh!
Okay, so I assume we'll have the front of the box face you. All right. And let me just see. Take the Okay. Pull tag. I'm glad Charlie's out here. Charlie would be freaking out. So the dog is working hard, and then you hear the... Hey, whoever you are in there, are you doing a good job? I see holes in the side. He's getting really angry. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not going to turn it, but there's a hole in the side. Now we have holes in each side. Oh, we see a puppy beginning. I hope we know... Can you see the side? Mm-hmm. Oh! Wow, look at this. No wonder this puppy is tired. Oh my gosh. Did you get tickles? Are you tickled? Oh yeah, you like that part? Oh, you know what let's see if you... Do you sit down? Do you walk? Let's see what you do. Oh! Okay. You hungry? Oh, you like to be tickled? Tickle, 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 tickle. All right, so we'll watch the rest of the video to see what this guy does. Anyway, it's very cute. It's very cute. Oh, don't get angry. Yes, yes, yes. You'll be on camera. God, it's like another Charlie.